So we continue for this part. For this part, how we do that? So we use delta. So basically, we need to pick anything. Let's pick a P or M, right? So we say solve the P. If you want to solve the P, so we say P, okay, P triple P squared. So we want to solve the P, right? P, and this one is minus 2m plus 3, right? So P and 2m plus 3 is P here, right? And the left is m squared plus 6 minus 3m plus 2. That equal to 0. Okay. Now is another complex calculation is what's the delta is what? Delta is this square, right? So 4m squared plus 6. No, not 6. 12 mp plus this is 3, right? It's plus 9, right? And minus 4 m squared plus 12 m minus 8, right? This don't have, sorry, it's all wrong. And here, what are we equal to? Equal to this one cancel out, so it's 24m plus 1, delta equal to 24m plus 1. So P will be, the answer is this is a quadratic formula, 2 and 2m plus 3 plus minus, right? Plus minus 24m plus 1. Hold it, 24m plus 1. Right? So we have this answer. So basically, this is the first step. Once you get the integer equation, have this one. This is more complex. Okay, and okay. So we have another condition. Do we consider negative? Is this is possible? So negative is if we use negative, this one, the first one should m equal to 1, right? The first one should be m equal to 1, should be 5. The next one should be bigger than 5. So P, if we negative, so we 24, right? Minus 5. So the maximum will be P will less than this one, because next one will modify bigger than this one, right? With minus bigger than this one. So what are we gonna do? This is m minus 1. So this is m minus 1, and we already assume P is greater equal to m, so we cannot do minus. So P, we shouldn't accept minus. Equal. This one should be equal. This one equal, because the first one is 1, should be equal, right? That one's not. So okay, so make us less complex. We can only consider plus. Okay, now is more fun part. So for this answer, first we notice that this must be odd. So it cannot be 24m plus 1. It gotta be odds. So the square gotta be odds square. So basically equal to odds square. And you can say, so we can do 1 square, 3 square, or 5 square. So keep track, right? The second one is we notice that this 24, it's divided by 3. Is mod 3. Mod 3 will be left 1. So mod 3 will be left 1. So this one cannot be divided by 3. So this one cannot. So it's kind of like a 5 or 7 try, and I cannot, and keep going, and keep trying, right? So when we try this one, maybe 11, right? So we keep trying that one. So if we try this one, will be like this is M, right? So sorry, before it's wrong. So we say it's 24M, 24M plus 1, right? The first one should be odd, so it'd be 5, right? 5. First one is 5, not 1, 2, 3. So not start 1, 2, 3, it's wrong. Start with 5, starting point, because M equal to 1 is 24, 5, roots is 5. So it gotta be 5 square, and the next one is 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, something like that. And we also notice that this is cannot be, because it's mod 3, right? So it's 9 cannot be, it cannot be 9. Also, it cannot be 15, right? Cannot be. So basically we have tried. So we try 49, hey, this one is 1, 49, this is 2, and 11, 121 is 5, 169 minus 168 should be 168, 179, 169, 168, 168, and divide by 24, supposed to be what? 7, so it's kind of like this, 1, 2, 5, 7, and so far it's going on here, right? So if we have 1, we find out 1, then this answer would be 5, right? And 7, so here will be okay. So P, using this formula, we try to do that, we find out always working, right? Because this is odds. This odds plus odds, it'd be even. Even divided by 2 is always an answer. We don't care which one. It cannot be same, right? So we know it's yeah. You can try a little bit. So 5. So if M is 5, 5, 11. So this is 11, 11 fourth is M equal to, let's say M equal to 5. M equal to 5, 5, 5, right? M equal to 5. This is 10, 10 plus 13 plus 11 divided by 2. It gotta be like 24, 12. So basically this is 12. So keep increasing, yeah? P. We notice that M and P is increased much faster, okay? Let's keep going. Keep try, right? So what are we gonna try? We try like, this one is brute force, right? So basically we can try we can use binary try, we can I usually try faster, okay? This one's 7, it's not leaving the boundary because this one is less than 1,000, so we gotta keep trying. So 16, not 16, let's say faster, okay? Let's say we try 170, 30, 140, 145. If we try 145, and what is it gotta be? 145 is gotta be 145, right? 145, 145, this is pretty big. So basically we're jumping, this is, yeah, we just do that. And this is have no choice, right? So, yeah. And this one gotta be A76. And this one be 950. Okay, still not there, so we have like 147. Okay, 147 times 147. 147 times 147, right? This will keep trying. This is a 21609, right? And you minus 1. You minus 1, 268. So you minus 1, then you divide by 24, right? That is 920. You have like 925. 147 we cannot try. Sorry, 147 we tried wrong. So 147 is not. So because this one is a mod 3, so cannot. Right? So it's mod by 3. So we just try 149. So 149, 149, and 149 is 22201. So minus 1, so 2220, and divide by 24. Be 925. So this one is 925, and then we have this one, right? M is 925, so we have like 2 times 925, right? 2 times 95 plus 3. Okay, now we plus, this is 149. Total is this one divided by 2. So this one would be, P would be 1001. So, okay. Now we say here we cannot. So we start from 5 to this one. This is our answer. So now we need a calculation 5 to, so how many we have, because how many we got this one, right? This is simple maths, right? Simple maths. 5 to 145, this is even, right? So basically 5, and next one is 7. First calculation, how many, so how many even number, each time plus 2, so this is plus 2, right? Going to 145, right? This is plus 2, so total n, so 5 plus n minus 1, right? This whole period is n minus 1 times 2 equal to 145. So get rid of this one, we have a 70, n equal to 71, so 71. 71 is odds, total odd. I cannot divide by 3. So cannot divide by 3 is what? So 5, 7, 9. Okay, so it's 2 and 3, right? So basically is plus 6. So we divide by 2. This one every time add 2 and cannot be 3. So this one cannot. And we have say 11, 13, 15, right? This one cannot, this one cannot. It's like we got a calculation how many we had, right? So basically we start from, basically first one start from 9. The last one is 9 is 15, then it's 21 until 147 minus 6, so it'd be 141, right? Basically this is one each time plus 6, so 9 plus something x minus 1 and plus 6 equal to 141. So this one 132, 22, x will be 23, right? X will be 23. So we know this sequence number, we didn't know this sequence 23. So how many? So we're gotta be like total odds from 5 to 145 is this 71, and the inside of it from 9 to 141 is it will divide by 3. So the total answer will be 71 minus 23. For this case, it will be 48. So we have case 1, P equal to M. It could be 999 plus 48. So the answer is 1047. So this is finally we got this answer. So it's not done yet. So right now we have like 24m, right? Plus 1. This one we keep seeing that one, like this is our guessing. You cannot you gotta prove something. So basically, when you write a full solution, you gotta prove this is only your guessing. So how come this you keep try 5 to 40? So in between so many numbers. How do you know this? We can brute force them, but writing like this 100 case by case is too many, right? He's on purpose don't let you to write down this answer. Otherwise, it's like you can write a 10. This is kind of right roughly gotta be 100, around 100, right? Take a lot of time. So basically, he asks you to write a guessing one, right? So why this one? So basically, your series is 2m. This one, like if this one is odd, right? If this one is odd and not multiplied by 3, it always can be. It's always be like this one. It's always can be that one, right? So all the number, if you, so we talk about all the number is even number, so it's gotta be divided by 2, right? And it's 3, you gotta divide by it. And also talk about 3, so you gotta divide by 2 times 6. So basically, it's talk about 6. 6. For the 6, if you start 6, all the number can represent to 6n. 6n plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? All the number can provide this one, right? So, and it cannot divide by 2 basically. So we want all the number. So all the number with this one gone, this one gone, this one gone. So basically, we only left that guy, 3 things, right? So yeah. Yeah. So this one you can be changed to -1, also okay. Doesn't matter, right? So it's all the number. So what do we say? We say like the number is odd number. So this is 3 is odd number, and it cannot divide by 3. This is 3. So this one we say when you square root something, always go back to it. You cannot, right? So we get rid of this both odd. We haven't get rid of this one also gone, right? This one should be like divided by 3. Okay. So now we left this one 6m and this one here, right? Use negative one much better. Okay. So basically, this kind of symmetry, you can easily get the answer. Okay. Then let's use this one here. For here, there's only 2 cases. The 6 minus 1 is this one. So we only have 6 plus 1. Shouldn't use m. Should use different. Should be like using the. Yeah, should be using the k. Yeah, change it different. Should be use a k. Okay. Yeah. So this is k, right? So then we square root this one. Say okay. 36k, right? Plus 12k and plus 1. Oh, forgot a k, right? Okay. Here we already have, right? See here, 12, 3k squared plus like 1, right? K plus 1. Okay, here what do we have here? This is 1. This is what we want, right? This 1 is what we want here. 1 is what we want here. And 12, oh, we left 2, so we got to prove this one is always even, right? This is always even. So this one is always even because this one is 3k plus 1 plus k. Oh, sorry. K plus 1 plus k, right? This one is like this. So one of them must be even. So this one must be even, and therefore here we can rewrite this one to 24 something. We can 24x plus 1. Yeah, 24m. Yeah, let's say this one m. We're back to here. So back to here. Now we prove. So anything like this is our guessing here is all the even the odd number. Cannot divide by 3. So this kind of things, we always, after the square roots here, it always can be 2m plus 1. Therefore, we can go here, we can looping all this possibility and to get the answer. Right? So this is the full proof. Then we're done. This problem fully solved.